Hey folks, welcome to my channel. So this is a Black& Decker hand blender, and I thought I would do a review on it. I wanted to get it to do when I do my green fig soup, but I didn't get it at that time. So I eventually got one and I did the eggplant soup. So I thought I would do a review on this particular product. It's quite handy, in addition to having the regular blender. um what I like about this is that like, let's say if I'm making my callaloo, my traditional Trini dish callaloo, right? Instead of or any like soup like dish, right? With the regular blender we'll have to like put the the um the dish itself in a blender, like in a few batches, to get it totally blended up, right? But with this now you can actually put it in the pot and have everything blended in one go. Plus it's much more easier to clean the product, and in preparing a dish is much quicker to finish in the blending aspect of it. And with this product it came with a cup, like, hope you can see that here. And this is more like if you're doing like maybe a more dry dish or something, and make it like soup, a cold dish, or make a cold recipe like maybe smoothies and stuff. I'll show you what I'm gonna do right now. And yeah, so this is it. It has two speeds down here. This is like a slow, a little faster speed, right? It's like a pause button, like it's like two dashes. You can see that? Two speeds. Yeah, it's just simple, just quite handy for me, just right for me. As you can see, here's Black& Decker, right? Upside down, Black& Decker. And this is the bottom part of it. This is what it looks like, the blade. Yeah, it's quite simple, but it's very sharp and very effective. And easy to clean, right? So let me just show you how I clean it. I just take off this top here, just twist it like you have two symbols here. This is like a padlock that is closed and a padlock that is open. So just twist it to open, like to the left, open it, wash this part, and just put it to dry. When it's dry, put it back to the motor part, just insert it just like with the locks, line it up with the arrow, and I'll just turn it to the lock side, and I got a clip and it's locked, and that's it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a oatmeal breakfast this morning with using this, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. So hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna use the measuring cup that came with the hand blender, right? And I have here one small ripe banana, and I have about 5 tablespoons of dried oats, right? I'm just making this quick thing for one person, and just for information's sake, the measurements on the cup is just basically only metric measurements. So I'm going to add 1 cup of water to this, lukewarm water, because it's like a little breakfast drink I'm making for myself this morning. That should do it. I'm going to use the hand blender now and get this going. Okay, so this is done, nice and creamy. See that? Nice and creamy. This is great and healthy breakfast drink. You know, it's really good. I like to have this on mornings. Of course, as you can see here, I didn't use any milk. I just used the banana for flavor, for sugar, and I just use water. I didn't use any milk. So the next thing I want to do, I'm going to make a green seasoning using the hand blender. So it's an experiment, so let's see how this goes. I have some shada beni freshly picked. I have some chive, some onion, and some garlic. So I'm going to put this in a little container in the measuring cup and see if we can get this to blend up. But of course I think we have to add some water to get everything going. So shada beni, everything cut up into small pieces. Let me just do a small batch at a time, see how that works out. I'm going to add some water. Okay, my experiment was a success. This worked perfectly. Let me show you the consistency of the green seasoning. You see, it's not chunky. Everything was blended up nicely. Perfect. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just for my purpose, I'm going to add more herbs to have less liquid in my green seasoning. This worked perfectly. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, what I'm going to do, I am going to leave a link for one of these hand blenders in my Amazon store, but I couldn't find a Black & Decker brand, but I'm going to leave one that is a simple one with not many speeds on it, inexpensive, in my Amazon store. I'll leave a link in the description box below, so you can browse around my store. I'll also leave a direct link for a product if you're interested, just to go and get the product instead of having to browse through the store. But I invite you to browse through my store and see what I have in there. Okay folks, so this is it for my the review of my Black & Decker hand blender, right? And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. So as you can see here, I'm showing what I made, but I blended up with the blender. I made a split pea soup. As you can see here, my green season was a success. First time I'm using the product to make my green season. That has been a success. And my oatmeal breakfast is really good. My husband and I, we had this for breakfast, the split pea soup. He enjoyed that, and we had this for breakfast. We had a good breakfast this morning, very healthy. If you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.